Welcome this video. Video title is Elevate Your Outdoor Living. Inspire Terrace Design Idea. Introducing Terrace, often a unique opportunity to extend your living space into the great outdoor, provide a sanctuary for relaxation, entertainment of nature. Whether you have a smart balcony or a stalling rooftop, there are countless ways to transforming your terrace into a style and invite retreat from choosy set area to lush gardening and captivate lights. Here are some inspired terrorist design idea to elevate your outdoor living experience. Embrace vertical gardening. Maximize your terrace space by incorporating vertical gardening. Install hair plants or wall mounted pot to create a lush oasis of gardening. Choose the vibrant of gardening with different textile and color to add various interior and create a vibrant natural impression. Note only do not vertical gardening embrace the aesthetic appeal of your terrace, but it's also about air quality and promoting both. Create a choosy long area, transforming your terrace into a choosy retreat by add comfortable sit and promote cushion, whether it's sit soft long chair or a ambient choice furniture. Those invite relax and outdoor long complement the look with soft yellow decoration pillow and a carved bench or drink incorporating a can or bungalow of shaved and provide allow you to unwind and complement and time of day. Add embrace lights, enhance the atmosphere of your terrace with staging, place lights, sticky lights, lecturing or feed light, create a magically embracing professional of ultimate grinding or romantic evening. Create, install solar power fix by Asia friend eliminate or from smart living solution dot can be promote visit the mode effectively incorporating water functional introduce the smooth sound the water to your terrace with the function port or custom waterfall function not only create clean atmosphere but also let wind wildlife add to the natural beauty of your oasis outdoor space. Choose a design that complement your aesthetic and solid appear to fix your terrace living. Create a green roof, transforming your terrace into the centrality oasis with green roof or living wall plants or areas on natural gardening, flower or stick not only add beauty to your terrace but also help to knit